Yo, what's good, everyone? Today I'm going to be recapping my trade and the reason it lost, etc. Today is the 8th of July 2026. Okay, so going into the day, I wanted to take shorts, seen as we were kind of rejecting higher, as we can see here. We were also displacing down really strongly. We were also in this bearish hourly gap, which I was hoping we would respect and then go down lower. So getting lower time frame now. I mean, 4 hour there's not much to look at. So yeah, I mean these were my draws as well, just in case. But yeah, just some normal. Right, and then going on to the 50-minute, I didn't have anything yet. 5-minute nothing, so I just waited for open. Off open, which was what was it? Like here, yep, 230. NQ just shot up basically, and ES, where is it? ES did like move up, but just not as much, so they were kind of uncorrelated. And then NQ started to like kind of chop a little bit, as we can see here. And we also inversed this the only bullish confluence, the 1 minute fair value gap. So I was like, okay, whatever, I'm not taking longs for now, even if the displacement is really good. And I didn't, which is good. Like, it's good that I can control myself there. So after that, NQ just chopped, and for some reason, right, I still wanted longs. And then this 15-minute had formed right below, so I was like, yes, great. 10, I wait for a reaction out of this. However, it did not go very well. Thingy. I entered here after this, like, I entered there because of this 1 minute fair value gap that I say I was waiting for it to get inversed, but it actually didn't even get inversed until after I joined. So that was kind of risky. And two, right, I was predicting us exiting this range, which is never confirmed. You can't really, because in a range the market just moves randomly. Third reason this failed was, look at ES. ES was chopping really bad, and ES had not even come close to inversing this hourly gap. Right, it was just on NQ that it had got inversed, because that was also one of the reasons that I took this long, because the hourly ended up getting inversed. Yeah, it just was not a good trade. Like, I should have either, if I were to take this, right, which I did, I mean, like, in the future, if I take this, which I'm hopefully not, but what I should have done, right, is I should have went break even as soon as we got anywhere near these highs, bro, because in a range we don't really take like the highest highs, but like the top of the ranges we don't really come close, like really close to them, or if we do, we don't take them usually. So I should have gone break even after this, because with the context with this and the thingy, whatever was going on the ES, like I was basically predicting a breakout on ES and a breakout of this 5-minute range or something. Yeah, 5-minute range, which is not likely, So yeah, today I only took a little loss, like 200, I think 200 something, because I risked quite light, and I also trailed my stop to this low over here once I noticed that we came back down into my break-even area. Anyway, I could have also cut my losses really short and basically didn't even take a loss if I would have just closed here. The reason I say that is because this started chopping around my entry, and I, for some reason, like, I didn't exit, but whenever like a trade starts chopping around your exit, it's just not good. It's not a good sign. Like, when you enter a trade, you don't want to see it like just chop around your entry, because then it's just like it's debunking your original point for joining the trade. You know, when you trade, you want quick delivery, like just like like boom, 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 and you want it to, have hit TP, like quick, but once it starts like chopping around your entry, then it's not a good sign, and you're likely gonna get stomped out, just like I did. Yeah, this is a silly mistake, but I'm happy that I risked quite light on this, because it had quite a high RR on the trade, so I didn't want to risk heavy, because there's no point in risking heavy on this. And again, it wasn't really probable. I don't know what I was thinking when I was taking this trade. Yeah, well, it is what it is, but thank you for watching, and have a good rest of your day. Remember to protect your capital at all costs. See ya.